Hello and good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, it is February, and I have been full-time artist since July, way back there. And I just wanted to report really on how things are going. So, so I have been really busy. I'm producing loads of lino prints still. I now have around 6 different small lino cuts that I've completed. I'll show you a couple while I'm at it. Got this little one here. Oh gosh, you can't see it. There you go. So this is my Kingfisher, which I'm actually colouring right now. And I've also got this Hen Harrier just here. And go on, one more. Go on then. And this Puffin. So I'm working on those at the moment. Really enjoying it. I'm frustrated by the progress of them because there's so many other things to do. Art classes are going really well. We're doing portraits at the moment and really enjoying. We've looked at watercolours. We've looked chalk pastels as well. We've been doing loads of chalk pastel drawings recently. I can show you one or two of those as well. Hold on a minute. Chalk pastels. Well, I don't know if they're chalk pastels actually, but they're pastels on this really lovely paper. I'll just take it out of the bag actually. Show you that. So this one that I did, this lovely looking chap, that was in colour pencil. I just wanted to show people that they could do things in colour pencil as well. This is my apron, by the way. And these are some examples of the different things that we've been looking at, including eyes and noses, to learn about those as well. And here's that portrait again of this fellow, and this one where we've been looking at how to select different areas, you know, and focus in on them and add highlights and shadows and things as well. So I've been really busy, and of course I have just done my second lino print workshop, which has been really good. I had about 10 students and we did 2-block lino printing on handheld presses and an X-cut press that I made as well. So been really enjoying everything that I've been doing. It's a different lifestyle to being a teacher, but I'm doing a little bit of teaching as well, so it's a lot of fun as well. So I'm, get a little bit frustrated sometimes that I'm not doing as much art as I want to, but I am told that this is quite normal, that artists are busy doing all the admin-y stuff, like finding new students, packaging orders off, thinking of ideas. So you actually have to block off your time. Make sure that you don't get disturbed by other things that are going on, and really focus in on one thing at a time. So this is what I've been working on recently, is making sure that I get a good stretch of time, at least once a week, where I'm just doing my art, where I'm just making new artworks like these lino pieces. So the linos have been done in the evening while watching the telly or listening to a podcast or the radio or something like that. So a lot of evening work going on, but I'm trying to move it more towards doing daytime stuff, if you know what I mean. Getting 3 or 4 hours, because I find I get really tired in the evenings. Sometimes a bit bored, so I want to do some work in the evenings, but I want to keep I've got the energy doing it in the daytime as well during the week, alongside all my art class preparations that I do for my lovely adult students at Kimbolton, Rawns and online. I've got an online class tonight, about halfway through that at the moment, so I've got another 5 lessons to teach as well. But having a fantastic time doing all of that. Missing collage a little bit at the moment as well, because I'm doing a lot of lino, but one thing at a time, eh? Oh, I could show you my hedgehog. I'm going to show you my hedgehog. Wait there. So this is the hedgehog that I did for the Wildlife Trust a little while ago. So that is all collaged, and it's made of lots of words from words that the Wildlife Trust wanted me to use. You can't see it on here, but when you get really close, you can read little bits of text about hedgehogs and their plight at the moment in society. In the wild. There you go. All right, so thanks for listening, if you're listening at all, and I'll put this on to YouTube for people to watch as well. But thank you so much for your support. If indeed you're supporting me, if you're not, then you should be. And go to my website, jamie-poole.com, Poole, where you'll find loads of my work and what I'm up to and all that sort of stuff. Otherwise, I'm on Instagram and Facebook. You can find me there. But yeah, so I'm just trying to sort of keep people in touch with what's going on in my world. It's a very small world now, but a great one, with all the artworks and things that I'm doing. And thanks to as well to those shops and galleries out there that have ordered my work as well recently. That keeps me going and keeps me inspired, to make more work. So thank you. I'll be back sometime soon with a little bit of news on how I'm doing, but it just helps me get it off my chest and enjoy everything that's going on. So thanks, everyone. See you soon. I'll probably do another lino cut course in the next few months as well, but I'll keep you all posted on that on Instagram, Facebook, and newsletters and so forth. But thank you very, very much for everything, and I hope you enjoyed hearing about what I'm up to. So I'll see you soon. Adios.